Hi, my name is Emma Fink, and I'm here with Gustavo, and this is Gustavo's Akron Adventure. All right, Gustavo is here with?
Mrs. Chase and Mrs. Johnson.
Alrighty, now he has some questions for you. How did you guys get involved with Connect Life?
Well, Connect Life used to be called Units before it was Connect Life, and some of their representatives came and asked the school if there were any advisors that could head up and start a club at the school. So Mrs. Johnson and I said we would, just because we're biology teachers. We love sciencey stuff like that. So we wanted to do that club, and we've been doing it for 15 years ish, I think, somewhere around there.
Alrighty, and what does this club mean to you?
So I have actually been donating blood since I was a junior in high school, and that was my first chance that I had to donate blood. And at the time, it was through the American Red Cross, and I didn't really know where my blood was going. And when Connect Life approached us to be club members, one of the things that really stood out to me was that the club helps to further the importance of blood, tissue, and eye donation, but the fact that the blood that's donated here stays within the Western New York community. And that is really important to give back to me, or give back to the community for me.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.